Welcome back, YouTubers. So I've got a good little update today. I'm really happy with it. This little bad boy, I had this running last night on the van on a vice clamp, so I couldn't show you this video, guys, because it was hard, you know, going up and down. It was dark as well. Who's looking in my van? Oh, okay, it's reflection. But anyway, I had this running on the Xbox and TV last night, only those two things, and it kept up. Every hour, 40 minutes, I was looking up, you know, my meter. 12.6, 12.5, 12.6, 12.5. Crazy results. I'm telling you, this is the must. You must have one of these or make one of these. I think this is the best project I've done. And if you look at people's DIY windmills, you can get ideas from them. Like example, I haven't seen one with a controller on it like mine. Yeah, they usually have diodes like my old one. Like, you know, I built one already with a diode. But the thing is with that, you always got that power coming into your van. This one won't let you overcharge your batteries. Really, really good. So, it's got ball bearing, what spins around, what was doing some mad stuff up there last night. It was crazy. It was just like bouncing everywhere. Where the wind was going, it was bouncing. The only problem I had, the wires was tangling up when it's spinning one way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have like a little pole when I get my welder stuff, and I'm going to make it knock. So when it knocks, it's got to go back that way. Yeah, so it still goes 360 degrees and then it bounced back like that, bang, like that, bang. So that's my next little update to this. And just waiting for some welder parts to weld that little hook and this there. And to weld a pole to the ball bearing. And that ball bearing works so good, crazy. And then 3 inch of this, I'm going to cut off and weld it to my van. Because this one's got like 3 holes. Let me show you that. 3 holes and 3 holes. So when I put this together, I can just put a bolt in it and it's secured. And that's that. But I need your help now. I was speaking to one of my YouTubers. Well, he's a subscriber and he's a YouTuber. And he suggested me to make Patreon and have my DIY videos going over to Patreon. Because then you know who's interested in the videos and who's not. So you let me know below, in the comments below, because I know a lot of people don't have Patreon, and it's going to be free, don't worry, it's not going to be no charges or anything like that. Donations is up to you. But you let me know what you think, if you reckon I should just leave my videos on YouTube, or leave them on Patreon. Well, just the DIY ones, you know what I mean? So I can show you step by step what I've done, how to get this, or results, or you know, things like that, or any questions. So just let me know about that, and that's about it really. It's just a short little video, but I was really happy how this was running last night. Really happy. I still got to sand down the tail. That's about it. I'm just waiting for a few welder parts, and I'll have this up and running on the van. But if you're a solar camper, or an off-grid, or boondocker, whatever you want to call it, remember, I'm from the UK. This is a must. This is a must. This is bringing more power than my solar. I've got a 275 watt solar, and this was bringing more power continuously. You know what I mean? All through that night, this was bringing in power. Crazy, crazy. You know what I mean? That now I realise, if you've got like a windmill and a solar, and you know the solar's not that great, and you've got cold weather, you can actually run a heater. I'm not saying 1,000 watt or something, but you can actually run an electric heater. You know, I'll say about 500 watt with a nice windmill, what's bringing in some good power, and obviously you need storage of batteries as well. But yeah, I think you could, and if you want me to do a challenge on something, just let me know in the comments below. Just name what you want me to run off it, a fridge, an Xbox, a heater, I don't know, you name it, and we'll do the challenge and see how we get on. And obviously it'd be at night, so no solar, you know, just a windmill. See what the windmill can do for how long. But last night it was doing good on my Xbox and my TV, you know, it was doing a wicked job. I was so impressed with this little thing, and it's a shame you can't just leave it up there mounted and forget about it. That's the only thing, but it's okay. Take it off, hook it up in the van, and you're ready to go. But yeah, guys, Hobbies and Gadgets is now signing out. So just let me know in the comments below what you think about the Patreon and the windmill. Any questions about the windmill, let me know in the comments below. But now, Hobbies and Gadgets is signing out. Peace.